Good morning, guys. We are going over our language page on Wednesday, the 15th, and this is a worksheet about adverbs. So I'm going to go through these problems along with you. On the very first one, where the bone is, it says, many adverbs end in the suffix ly, and if a root ends in a y, change the y to I before adding ly. Okay, that's what we're going to have to remember in this section, is dropping the y and changing it to an I. Not all of them, but most of them here. Okay, so on each one of these root words, you add the ly. So Mary, you add ly, so it becomes merrily. And see how they change that y to an I. Okay, now not all of them have that. If you look at sadly, that does not have a y at the end of it, so it's gonna have a no change on that one. Okay, we are gonna go to number 2, and these are tongue twisters, which a tongue twister is kind of like when it has the same sound, a bunch of words in a sentence, like she sells seashells by the seashore. Maybe you know some tongue twisters. Or how much wood can a woodchuck wood if a woodchuck could chuck wood? See, it's kind of confusing letters and words and sounds. So on this one, that's going to give us a little bit of a hint on what to use. So the first sentence says, William blank blank while waiting, and it's a verb and an adverb. So William starts with a W. So you're going to want to find a word that starts with a W. Do you see it? Our words to choose from are gave, followed, whistled, and ordered. You got it. Whistled. So you're going to write whistled in there. William whistled blank while waiting. Okay, now, because it's a W, you want to find a verb that has, an adverb that also has a W to get all those same W sounds in there. So William whistled willingly while waiting. See, they're all W's. This page could throw you if you didn't pay attention to the tongue twister part, because you can use other words. Okay, so now it looks like we're having all F's. Okay, so Fred's frog blank Fred blank. So you're going to want to find the verb that has the F. Right there, I just showed you. Followed. Fred's frog followed Fred, and then you find the adverb that has the F. Fred's frog followed Fred fearlessly. Fearlessly. Then you could try saying them 3 times fast. That'd be tough. Fred's frog followed Fred fearlessly. Fred's frog followed Fred fearlessly. Woo! See if you can do it. Okay, on the next one, you're going to be choosing the verb that has the G's, okay? And you're going to be choosing the adverb that starts with a G. And you're going to do the same thing on this one, okay? Then we're going to go to number 3, which is syllables. You remember that, where you put your hand underneath your chin, or you could clap. So like sentences. 3. Climber. 2. Okay, so you're going to write your syllables on those. All right, guys? And we're going to head on over to the back side as soon as you're all done, so you can pause your video. Hi guys, we're going to do the back side now of your page 288. On this one, you're coloring nouns, which is a person, place, or thing in green, a verb, which is an action word in red, and an adverb, which describes a verb. You're going to be doing that in blue, and not all the rocks are colored. So this might take some time. I don't require that you color the whole rock. If you color the word, I'm okay with that. Although I like it when you color the whole rock. I know some of you love coloring, like Malachi and Valoria. You guys always do such a great job on it. So, all right, let's go ahead and take a look here. So the first one I'm going to do is, I'm going to pick an easy one. I'm going to do zebra. Okay? Well, I know that's a thing, so I'm going to color it green. All right, let's try going down. Wow. Oh gosh. Can you, let's think of a verb and see if that could be an adverb. Can you skip wow? No. Is wow a person, place, or thing? No. Is wow something you do? No. Okay, so we know this one is a blank. I'm going to just put an X on that. Okay, friend. Well, that's an easy one. That's a noun. Okay, I'm going to try another one. How about worked? What do you think that is? That's an action. So that's going to be red. Think of red as like crazy action, something you do. Okay, let's try another one. How about, let's try this one up here. Proudly. Is that a person, place, or thing? No. Is that something you do? Can you proudly? No. It would describe something you do, like I got the award proudly. Proudly I got the award, so we know that's describing a verb. So there's your adverb. That's the blue. Okay, let's try another one. This is going to be a tricky one. Soft. Okay, that's not a person, place, or thing. That's not an action. So it's not a verb. Does it describe a verb? Like I'm going to jump soft? No, it would have to be softly if it was a verb, an adverb describing the verb. So soft, that's actually, remember, that's an adjective. That describes a noun. An adjective is not one of our choices. We're doing nouns, verbs, and adverbs. So that is a no. That is no. No. No and no. Speaking of which, we have no. No. All right, is no a noun? Is that a person, place, or thing? No. Is that a verb? Is that an adverb? Are you going to jump? No. Nope. That is a nothing. That's a nothing. Okay, so these are a little tricky, but you're going to go through them and you're going to find your nouns, your verbs, and your adverbs. So good luck, guys. Take your time on that, on this one.